Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure Val and welcome to the update on linear finance. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price line of linear finance broke out the resistance of a down channel, and after that, it also formed another up channel on the same daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that finally the price line broke down the support of this up channel. And I was telling you that target to the downside in case of breaking down the support will be here at the bottom of the channel at $0.0033. And you can see that so far the price then has dropped up to $0.0039, very close to hit this target to the downside. And during this move to the downside, we have also broken down this very significant support of $0.00467 as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support has been previously working as a very strong support here and resistance here. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of linear finance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this down channel breakout. And we will also take a look at this previous falling wedge pattern. And after these few more rejections, we have now another very long-term downtrend and resistance and support found. Here we have this long-term downtrend line resistance. You can see that we got few rejections here, rejection here, rejection here, two more rejections here, and this is the most recent rejection. And here we have now this downtrend line support as well. Is that we have bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and so many touch points here again. And this is the formation of a bigger falling wedge pattern. At the same time, you can see that it is moving inside this very, very huge falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will also analyze this wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Hive, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of linear finance. First of all, let me to show the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this up channel. In fact, when it was moving inside this previous bigger down channel, at that time, we found the support and resistance of the sub channel. We have rejections here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce here, another bounce here. And this was the last rejection. After that, we had a small bounce. And finally, the price then broke down the support. And now we have broken down this support of $0.00467 as well. That is now flipped into a resistance. And by the way, the technical target for this breakdown is here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at $0.0033. And now we are very close to hit that target to the downside. And now if we take a look at this previous down channel breakout, then you can see that it is, by the way, a bigger channel than the current one. And for the past several months, it has been moving inside this channel from the month of March 2024 up to the month of November 2024. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel is, by the way, here at the top of this channel at 1.65 cents. And by the way, from 1.65 cents to 2 cents, we have a quite long-term resistance on. And before that, we have another very long-term downtrend and resistance of a bigger falling wedge pattern. This is the bigger falling wedge pattern. And you can see that for the past several months, the price line is moving inside this wedge since after the month of April 2021. It is moving inside this wedge. And here we have this long-term downtrend line support. And now the movement is getting squeezed. Therefore, at any time, we can see that the price line may break it out. And after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect that the price line can start a very, very massive rally. Now, if we take a look at this next upcoming resistance that I was telling you a few moments ago from 1.65 cents to 1 to 2 cents, and then you can see that previously it had been breaking out the resistance on here, support and support here. This is a very long-term key resistance on. Therefore, if the price then reaches there, then it can again work as a very, very strong resistance or hurdle for the price line of linear finance. By the way, the technical target in case of breaking out this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. that is approximately at 16 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.